Denise, Joy, you did it again. I am so impressed at your vision and execution. You did this in 2 days. I know I could not have ever done this in 2 days. I've been living with my diplomas leaning against the wall for years, and you finally helped me figure out the best way to hang them up. All I had to do was go shopping with you one day, pick up some materials, some shelving. My homework was simply to clean out the closet and clear off the tables. As I was cleaning out the closet, I started wondering, was the shelving big enough? I didn't think the shelves were big enough. So I took it upon myself to go to the store again by myself without your help to find the right size shelves. It was so funny because I was lost. I didn't know what I was doing, but that's what your job is for. And I remember I called you and you were like, girl, go back home. You're fine. I know what I'm doing. Let Denise do her thing. Trust her vision, because I'm so glad that I trusted yours. I, again, would have never thought to put the lamp on top of the table. Like, it looked like a floor lamp at the store, but you're like, no, put it up. And it makes a huge difference to just incorporate a lot of things that I love about my life, my Howard University alma mater, obviously the degrees, my job with the pharmacy career, my license, my travels. You got artwork from when I traveled, and of course my sorority, Delta Sigma Theta, the color scheme, the nature. It's just so perfect, perfectly placed, simplistic, and it still feels so productive. And I have seating. It's great. It's a true destination for me to come get some work done. I have my desk. I have my Office Depot here in the little closet. It's amazing how you organized everything. It was like magic. Awesome. Thank you.